Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Instagram feeds in few seconds. So it's very simple. First of all, let me just log out from this account and add into next, login into existing account. So none of the above. So these are my personal account. Now I'd like to click on the sign up for new account. So here you have to choose another username. So I'd like to choose this one. So clicking on the next. So here you have to create a password. The password must be 6 character or more. So for a strong password, you can choose any special character, numerical or anything. So clicking on the next. So I like to add email. So here I'm unable to log in at the moment, but you can try it later. So in this way you can just create your Instagram page. Thanks for watching the video and please follow for more contents.